Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with eyeliner that won't budge, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into a product that promises 36 hours of wear and smooth glide-on application. That's right, I'm talking about the Maybelline TattooStudio long-lasting Sharpenable Eyeliner Pencil in Deep Onyx. This eyeliner claims to deliver on its promise of waterproof, smudge-proof performance while providing rich pigment and precision with every stroke. Now, as someone who's tried a variety of eyeliners, I know just how crucial it is to get one that lasts, but also feels comfortable on the eyes. Let's see if this one checks those boxes. To start, let's break down the product. The Maybelline TattooStudio Eyeliner is a sharpenable pencil, which I personally appreciate. Sometimes, I just want the control of a pencil and not the mess that comes with twist-up versions. It's available in several shades, but the one we're looking at today, Deep Onyx, offers a classic black that gives a bold definition to the eyes without being too harsh. Its gel-like formula promises to glide on smoothly, while the 36-hour claim sounds pretty impressive for those long days or nights. So how did it hold up? Well, the application was smooth, just as promised. The pencil delivers an intense black color with a single swipe, and the gel-like texture makes it feel creamy without being too slippery. When I tested it throughout the day, it stayed put, no smudging or fading around the eyes. This is especially important for anyone with oily eyelids like mine. It's definitely a game changer if you're on the go and need something reliable. As for wear, I put the eyeliner through its paces. From a full workday to an intense gym session, it stayed in place. The 36-hour claim might be a bit much for most people, but it definitely lasted through an entire 12-hour day without budging. And while I didn't test the full 36 hours, I'm confident it could handle it if you needed that level of endurance. One of the standout features for me is how versatile the pencil is. Whether you're going for a soft, subtle line or a bold, smoky look, the eyeliner allows you to create both with ease. The pigmentation is rich, but it's also buildable, which gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of intensity. Plus, it's waterproof, so if you're in a humid climate, or if you find yourself caught in a light drizzle, you're good to go. Now, there are always a few things to keep in mind. While the pencil is convenient for travel and easy to sharpen, the downside is that it requires a little maintenance to keep the tip sharp for precision. Also, since it's a gel pencil, the formula could feel a bit softer than some people might like, especially if you're used to stiffer pencils. It's not a huge issue, but it's worth mentioning for those who prefer a firmer texture. When it comes to value for money, Maybelline typically hits the mark with affordable yet high-quality products, and this eyeliner is no exception. At its price point, it offers long-lasting performance, rich pigment, and the convenience of a pencil, making it a solid option for those who want a reliable eyeliner without breaking the bank. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other great waterproof eyeliners out there, but most either lack the longevity or the smooth application this one offers. If you need something with a longer wear time or slightly more precision in the pencil design, you might want to check out some higher-end brands. But if you're looking for an everyday liner that won't smudge or fade halfway through your day, this is a fantastic choice. In conclusion, the Maybelline TattooStudio long-lasting eyeliner pencil is an excellent option for anyone who needs their eyeliner to perform all day and night. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a pro, it's versatile enough for a variety of looks and is truly one of the better drugstore eyeliners out there. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.